Did you know that one intercepted message destroyed Carthage's best chance to conquer Rome? In 207 BC, Hannibal had been terrorizing Italy for over 10 years, but he desperately needed reinforcements. His brother Hasdrubal was marching from Spain with a massive army to join him. If the brothers united their forces, Rome would fall. But Hasdrubal made a fatal mistake. He sent a messenger ahead to coordinate their meeting point. The message contained his exact route and timing. Roman scouts captured the messenger. Now the Romans knew exactly where Hasdrubal would be. They raced north and caught his army completely off guard at the Metaurus River. Hasdrubal fought bravely but was overwhelmed. His entire army was destroyed. He died in the battle. When Hannibal learned of his brother's death, he knew it was over. Without reinforcements, he could never take Rome. One careless message had changed the course of history. Rome survived to become an empire. Carthage would eventually be wiped from the map, all because of a single intercepted letter.